let's be a cute gamer girl again.
Look at my dad's babies.
Okay. One sec. Ah! So much glitchies.
You're level 0.
Let's go.
You're level 0, guys.
I'm level 1.
Wait.
Why is my game so glitchy? I'm not even running that.
You're level 0.
Wait, what the hell? Did I just not press the yellow thing?
What?
I'm so glitchy.
What yellow thing?
This yellow thing. Okay, there we go. Now I'm so much faster. Ghost is just standing there.
That guy's gonna have an hour.
Maybe his game shut down while he was pouring some milk or some cereal or something. Right? But I don't know why people don't get accounts. What? You think that a computer counts? No. They're just normal accounts, right? No, stupid backpack.
Look at the scream. For me.
Oh my god. And for me. Okay, you know I'm running. What the hell?
Bye.
That looks so weird.
Yeah. Ouch, no.
You're
You're level, wait, what's level you are? You're level 1.
What? This is level... What? I don't get
We
it.
was on level 0, now we're on level 1.
Oh, it's slippery.
Yeah.
I'm next to you if you didn't know that. No! God damn it!
God damn it.
This is so hard.
Yeah, this is really hard. This is like...
Okay, I'm just leaving.
No, why?
I want to play an Opie.
I
mean,
Tycoon.
Yeah, I just wanted to say, no, I wanted to play Tycoon. Okay.
I'm going to squish your face.
Okay, squish my face if you want to. I don't care because my friends squish my face. To
Baba.
play.
Hey.
To play a Tycoon. This is all it is, two-player Tycoon.
What the fuck?
Oh, it's because I already player Tycoon.
Player Tycoon.
Tycoon. Okay.
Player Tycoon?
Go away. No. Babs, you know screaming sounds bad in this thing, okay? This one? No. Which one? Two-player Gum Tycoon?
Gum Tycoon?
Gum Tycoon. Okay. Only one guy's playing for me. It's not for Roblox. It's... You know that's close. Server found. Loading.
Server found.
Server found. Loading. Ow. My ear.
Stop it. How much players is there?
2. I'm purple.
Purple?
Maybe purple. I'm purple. What the hell? Oh my god, look how much money I have.
How much money you got? Who's your box?
It doesn't do anything.
Oh, what?
Oh wait. You click. Oh wait. Play.
It's raining tacos from out of the sky.
I need dance.
No need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos.
Woo! Dance party.
All you can eat. Lettuce and shells, cheese and meat. It's raining tacos. Yum, 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 yum. It's like a dream.
Yum yum yummy yum. It's sour cream.
Shell. Cheese. Shell. Cheese. Shell. Cheese.
It's raining tacos. Raining tacos.
we also have a flashlight. Wait for it.
Raining tacos.
Hey.
Cheese, chicken. Cheese, raining tacos.
I can't hear anything.
Raining tacos. Oh,
Play.